Bok choy, also known as pak choy or Chinese cabbage, is a versatile Asian green that's as beautiful as it is delicious. With its crisp white stalks and dark green leaves, this member of the brassica family can transform from seed to harvest-ready vegetable in as little as 45 days. Perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners, bok choy offers a rewarding growing experience with bountiful results. Choosing your growing season. Timing is everything when it comes to growing bok choy. As a cool season crop, it thrives in temperatures between 55 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, or 13 to 21 degrees Celsius. Plant your bok choy in early spring, about 2 to 3 weeks before the last frost date, or in late summer for a fall harvest. The cooler temperatures prevent premature bolting and result in sweeter, more tender leaves. Preparing your growing space. Bok choy isn't particularly fussy about where it grows, but it does have some preferences. Choose a location that receives partial to full sun. Morning sun with afternoon shade is ideal in warmer climates. The soil should be rich in organic matter and well-draining with a pH between 6.0 and 7.5. Work compost into your soil to a depth of about 6 inches, creating a fertile foundation for your plants. Sowing your seeds. Here's where the magic begins. Plant seeds directly in the garden, spacing them about 1 inch apart and 1/4 inch deep in rows 18 to 24 inches apart. For container growing, choose pots at least 6 inches deep. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Seeds typically germinate within 4 to 8 days, bringing the first excitement of green sprouts pushing through the soil. The art of thinning. Once your seedlings reach about 2 inches tall, it's time for thinning. Perhaps the most challenging task for many gardeners. Thin the plants to stand 6 to 8 inches apart for full-sized heads, or 4 to 6 inches for baby bok choy. Don't discard those thinnings though. These tender microgreens are perfect for salads or stir-fries. Nurturing your growing plants. Water is crucial for bok choy's success. Maintain even soil moisture through regular watering, especially during head formation. A layer of mulch around plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. Feed your plants with a balanced organic fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks, but avoid excessive nitrogen, which can lead to loose, floppy heads. Managing common challenges. Keep an eye out for common pests like cabbage worms, flea beetles, and slugs. Row covers can provide excellent protection while plants are young. Watch for signs of bolting or flowering during warm spells. If a plant starts to elongate rapidly, harvest it immediately. Companion planting with herbs like dill and mint can help deter pests naturally. Harvesting your bounty. The moment of truth arrives 45 to 60 days after planting, depending on the variety and whether you're growing full-sized or baby bok choy. Cut the whole plant at soil level when heads are compact and leaves are crisp and dark green. For a continuous harvest, cut leaves individually from the outside, allowing the center to continue producing new growth. Storage and usage. Fresh bok choy can last up to a week in the refrigerator when wrapped loosely in damp paper towels and stored in a plastic bag. Don't wash until ready to use. Beyond the classic stir-fry, try grilling halved heads with a sesame ginger glaze, adding chopped leaves to soups, or using the crisp stalks in fresh salads. Tips for second harvests. After harvesting, leave the root base and a small portion of the stem in the ground. With proper care and conditions, many plants will produce a second flush of leaves. While these may be smaller than the first harvest, they're equally delicious and represent a bonus crop from your initial planting. Saving seeds for next season. Allow a few plants to flower and go to seed. The small yellow flowers will attract beneficial insects to your garden before developing into seed pods. When pods turn brown and dry, collect them in paper bags. Clean and store seeds in a cool, dry place for up to 3 years. Remember, gardening is a journey of continuous learning. Each season brings new insights and opportunities to refine your growing techniques. Share your successes and challenges with our Hydro Haven community in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe.